Tags organize your notes to make them easier to find. I want to tag all these to-dos for this course. The simplest way to tag your tasks is using the hashtag icon on the keyboard toolbar. You can also start typing in your notes section, and your suggested tags appear. Under the inspection icon, you can also add tags. All our to-dos are tagged now, and we can see them under the tag. A single task can have several tags. If your tag is not already in your app, simply type it out to create a new one. You can also create a new tag under the inspection icon. All the new tags we just created have been added to our tags. When navigating your tasks, you can choose to view those containing all the tags you select. Or you can choose to view tasks with any of the selected tags. Tags are easier to use because they can group tasks across different lists and groups. For example, this is a task from my family vacation list, and this one from my financial list. We've created too many tags that I don't use, so I need to delete them now. This does not delete your tasks, only the tags. You can also rename tags here if you like.